Hello guys and welcome back to Guide Nation. Today I'll be showing you how to fix Monopoly Go crashing. So, in order to do this, first of all, navigate to your mobile's homepage and navigate to the Monopoly Go icon. Here, hold your icon down and you will see this small eye icon at the top, that is App Info section. Click on this and it is going to take you to the App Info page of Monopoly Go. Now, if you're using another mobile phone, go to Settings, search for App Info and locate Monopoly Go and you will see this page. Here, scroll down and click on Storage. Now, click on the Clear Cache button just right here. After you click on Clear Cache, try opening the application again and see if this resolves the crashing. Now, if this doesn't resolve the crashing, you'll have to click on the Clear Data button and click on Delete icon. So, when you click on delete here, all of this application's data will be deleted permanently. This includes all files, settings, accounts, databases, etc. So, make sure you know this and click on delete. Then, log into Monopoly Go again and see if this solves your problem or not. If this doesn't solve your problem, navigate to Play Store on your mobile phone, search for Monopoly Go and click on Monopoly Go. Then, click on the uninstall button and select uninstall again. Now, when you click on uninstall here, it is instantly going to delete Monopoly Go from your mobile phone. You'll have to just click on the install button that will appear after uninstalling, reinstall Monopoly Go and see if this solves your problem or not. There is a big chance that this is going to solve your crashing problem. Now, if this doesn't solve your problem, simply restart your mobile phone and see if it helps. If that doesn't solve your problem, you can simply navigate to your mobile phone's storage and empty some space for RAM to run your Monopoly Go smoothly. So these were the simple ways you can fix your Monopoly Go crashing. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.